Feature engineering in ML workflow. Feature engineering in ML workflow. AI beginner level. Introduction. In machine learning, the quality of input features plays a huge role in determining how well a model performs. Raw data often does not contain the best representation of information needed for prediction. To improve model performance, we create new and more useful input variables from existing data. This process is called feature engineering. Feature engineering helps machine learning models understand patterns more clearly and make better predictions. It is considered one of the most important skills in machine learning and data science. Feature engineering is used in many AI applications such as recommendation systems, fraud detection, credit scoring, healthcare prediction models, e-commerce customer analytics. Understanding feature engineering helps beginners build more powerful and accurate machine learning models. What is feature engineering? Feature engineering is the process of creating, modifying, or selecting input features to improve machine learning model performance. In simple words, feature engineering equals transforming raw data into better input features for machine learning. Example concept. Raw data means feature engineering means improved features means ML model. Better features often lead to better predictions. Why feature engineering is important. Machine learning models learn patterns from input features. If the features are poor, the model cannot learn meaningful relationships. Even a powerful algorithm cannot perform well with bad features. Example concept. Better features means better patterns means better predictions. Feature engineering helps improve model accuracy, simplify model training, reduce noise in data, highlight useful patterns. Many successful ML projects rely more on good feature engineering than complex algorithms. Feature versus raw data. A feature is a variable used as input to a machine learning model. Example dataset. Age, salary, experience. 2550002. 3570010. Here, age is a feature. Salary is a feature. Experience is a feature. But we can also create new features. Example. Age experience ratio. 2520.08. 3510.28. Example concept. Existing features means create new feature means improved dataset. This is feature engineering. Types of feature engineering. Feature engineering includes several techniques used to transform and improve features. Common techniques include feature creation, feature transformation, feature encoding, feature scaling, feature extraction. Each technique improves the dataset in a different way. Feature creation. Feature creation means generating new features from existing data. Example dataset. Date sales. 2026-01-05-120. We can create new features such as day of week, month, holiday indicator. Example concept. Date means extract day. Month. Weekday means new features. These new features help models learn patterns such as seasonal behavior. Feature transformation. Feature transformation modifies existing features into a more useful form. Example. Income values may vary widely. Income. 20,000. 500,000. We may apply transformations such as logarithmic transformation, square root transformation, normalization. Example concept. Original values means transformation means improved distribution. This helps models learn patterns more effectively. Feature encoding. Many datasets contain categorical data. Example. Color. Red, blue, green. Machine learning models require numerical input, so categories must be encoded. Common encoding techniques include label encoding. Red equals 0, blue equals 1, green equals 2. 1 hot encoding. Red means 1, 0, 0. Blue means 0, 1, 0. Green means 0, 0, 1. Example concept. Categorical feature means encoded numeric features. Encoding converts categories into machine-readable features. Feature scaling. Features often have different numeric ranges. Example. Feature range. Age 18 to 70. Salary 200,200. Large differences in scale can affect algorithms like KNN, SVM, neural networks. Feature scaling helps standardize feature ranges. Example concept. Different scales means normalization, standardization. Scaling ensures all features contribute fairly. Feature interaction. Feature interaction means combining multiple features to create a new feature. Example dataset. Height, weight. We can create body mass index, BMI. Example concept. Height plus weight means BMI feature. This new feature can provide stronger predictive power. Feature extraction. Feature extraction reduces complex data into simpler representations. Example. Image recognition systems may convert images into edge features, texture features, shape features. Example concept. Complex data means extracted features means ML model. This helps models process high-dimensional data efficiently. Feature selection versus feature engineering. Feature engineering and feature selection are related but different. Concept meaning. Feature engineering creating or transforming features. Feature selection choosing the most useful features. Example concept. Many features means select important ones. Both techniques help improve model performance. Example Python code. Feature engineering often uses Python libraries. Example using pandas. Import pandas as PD. Example encoding with scikit-learn. From sklearn. Preprocessing import one hot encoder. Example scaling. From sklearn. Preprocessing import standard scaler. These tools help automate many feature engineering tasks. Real-world applications. Feature engineering is widely used in machine learning systems. Fraud detection. Creating features from transaction patterns. Recommendation systems. Generating features from user behavior and purchase history. Healthcare. Creating health indicators from patient data. Finance. Engineering risk indicators from financial records. Autonomous vehicles. Extracting features from sensor and camera data. Concepts learned from feature engineering. Understanding feature engineering helps beginners learn. Checkmark how raw data becomes useful input features. Checkmark how new features improve model accuracy. Checkmark how categorical data becomes numerical. Checkmark how scaling helps algorithms perform better. Checkmark how features influence machine learning models. Feature engineering is often the most impactful step in the ML workflow. Simple definition. Feature engineering. The process of creating, transforming, and selecting features to improve machine learning model performance. Final summary. Feature engineering is a critical step in the machine learning workflow. It involves creating new features, transforming existing ones, encoding categorical variables, scaling data, and extracting useful information from complex datasets. Well-designed features help machine learning models detect patterns more effectively and produce more accurate predictions. For many machine learning projects, strong feature engineering can improve performance even more than choosing a complex algorithm. Understanding feature engineering is essential for anyone learning machine learning, data science, and artificial intelligence.